Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone doesn't ring on incoming calls. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you should do is swipe down from the top right of your screen to open Control Center and turn airplane mode on. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back off. This forces your iPhone to reconnect to the cellular network. If your phone still doesn't ring, head into Settings and open Sounds and Haptics. From here, make sure the ringtone and alerts volume slider is turned all the way up so calls are loud enough to hear. Also, tap on ringtone and confirm that a ringtone is selected and not set to none. Otherwise, your phone won't make any sound when someone calls. Next, go back to Settings and scroll down to the bottom, open Apps section, and look for Phone app. Open the Phone section, tap on Announce Calls, and make sure it's set to Always. If this is set to Never, your phone won't announce incoming calls. Setting it to Always ensures your iPhone announces calls whether you're using headphones, in the car, or holding the phone normally. After that, it's important to check your eSIM or SIM settings. Select your eSIM and try toggling it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. If the issue is still not fixed, make sure you don't have Do Not Disturb or any focus mode enabled. Swipe down into Control Center and check if Focus or Do Not Disturb is turned on. If it is, turn it off, as these modes can silence incoming calls. As a final step, you can force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it even when you see the slide to power off option and when the screen goes black. Release the button only when the Apple logo appears. This force restart clears temporary glitches and often fixes issues like calls not ringing. Go through each of these steps carefully, and your iPhone should start ringing normally again for incoming calls. And that's it. So that is how you can fix iPhone doesn't ring on incoming calls. So that's all for this video. Thanks.